Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending May 15th, the major indexes were up and down, but remained somewhat unchanged from last week as investors digested the week's economic data and the current geopolitical climate. Existing home sales increased slightly in April. The North region was unchanged, while the South region increased, with the West region declining. The median price of existing homes was $417,700 compared to $414,000 in April of last year. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, was in line with expectations, up 0.6% in April. However, core CPI, excluding food and energy, was higher than expected, up 0.4%, due to an increase in shelter prices, rent, and transportation services prices. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, for April increased much stronger than expected, up 1.4%, 6% year over year. The increase was largely due to the increase in gasoline and energy prices. Retail sales rose slightly, less than expected, but a lot of it was due to the increase in sales at gas stations. April import prices posted their largest monthly increase since March of 22, driven almost entirely by a sharp rise in petroleum prices. And finally, industrial production came in stronger than expected in April after declining in March. Year to date, the Dow is up 3.1%, the S&P is up 8.2%, and the Nasdaq is up 12.8%. The yield on your 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.6%. Oil closed at $105.42 a barrel. Gold closed down at $4,545.66 an ounce, with silver closing at $76.23 an ounce. For this week of May 18th, nothing scheduled for Monday. Tuesday, we'll get pending home sales data. Wednesday, the minutes of the Fed's May FOMC meeting will be reported. Thursday, initial jobless claims, housing starts, building permits, along with manufacturing and services data. And on Friday, consumer sentiment and the leading economic index will be reported. The leading economic index, published monthly by the Conference Board, tracks 10 forward-looking components, such as unemployment claims and stock market performance, to gauge the likely direction of the economy in the coming months. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services can be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.